crowd to celebrate. Celebration time. Hello. Hello. Tap up the screen. Tap up the screen. Let's celebrate with me. Hey, hey. Whoa. Happy Sundays. Celebration time. Whoa. This need crowd before me start talk. Woo. This need crowd before me start to talk. Chaka chaka teeth I go talk. Why? God, you're good. What a merciful God. What a caring God. What a wonderful God. Why? Look at the man, share the life, man, share the life. Need crowd week. When you come, man, you go reach 100 first. Yes, my dear. Mr. Joe Powers. Mr. them think people are idiot. Mr. Me eye water work. The eye water work. I don't know the eye water don't have it now. Me eye water work. The eye water. Yeah, but put on the green screen. Yeah, thank you for telling me, darling. Yes, my people, them thank you now. Me say the eye water work. What a merciful God. What a merciful God. One ball in and the wicked them a run up and down. Then the eye water can't wicked, so when they ball, God listen. Why? Me say look here. Look here. This need one heap of crowd and 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 crowd. Me say me want them now. Me want them. Me tell them say the little eye water when them say drop, it go and go upon them. Judgment take them, it not even take long. It not take long for the eye water work. It never take no time for the eye water work and the enemies become the footstool. The enemies become the footstool. Remember telling you something, people. Remember one time a man take from my car and mash it up. And when me go trace him on my ball, I crash and nearly dead after. Me eye water no normal. He make people come chat and fuck and chat foolishness. Lady, you don't look good. Lady, you look mash up. Lady, stop call up my name. You finally can't call my name now. You can't lie good. The people them are not idiot. You look fool. The little roll up them now your head top. You look tired. Lady, you look tired. Lady, you look tired and mash up. Me don't even have to call your name because you call me name. Lady, you do your time now to Ashensia and Jeddah Kingdom is the new thing and the odd thing. Lady, you do your time now too, so you can't style me. You buy out the people, them not half of the people them come from for your page are fake people. You can't trick nobody. Don't trick nobody. Me know how to buy them too. We know how to guys, she don't look good. She need help. Lady, go seek a psychiatrist now. Go on church, go let them pray for your sin for you know. You can't throw Obia talk for me. Are you are the hunger artist coming a dance hall with an Obia man by your side? The people them not stupid. You think some people are idiot? You can't turn around your evil doings for me. Cause me just a glow. You don't see how me a glow or your favorite duppy. You don't see your favorite duppy lady. Is a duppy a Satan come out to the internet today? When them say Satan are coming in the last days, Spice, are you a Satan? Me can't call back your name. When them say Satan are come out in the last days, Spice, are you a Satan? Satan will fight with God people. I true me have me event I go, I don't want done out my voice. But we know say Father God works so quick. Father God works so quick. Spice, you come out and talk about your business. Anything where you say people are doing that you are do. And that you are do. You come and you buy out how much people for run come over your life. The fake page and everything. You cannot carry me down. Spice judgment upon you. One little chups of yai water. And when me talk about the yai water, I say, this is yai water go upon you. And look how quick the yai water work pound. Look how quick the yai water work by you. That's why you can't come out come make up answer that story. Storyteller, go back in where you come from your favorite scarecrow. Your favorite scarecrow. Lady, your favorite scarecrow. When them saying that the last day Satan is coming out is you. Serpent Lucifer, go back in. Lucifer, loose. Get out. Devil. Devil, you look like devil. Go and go wash off your soul, lady. My God Almighty. No. You know what happened? God is so mighty that me I get dressed to go somewhere. And one of my friend them, when me a par with, come in my house, because I will have a par. Yeah, we know all clip, we know the album. She try to promote the album. But here what happened? She try to feel like so when she bring down people, the whole world is going to go with her and her album. But it backfire upon her because the first thing she do, she idolize rape. The people them rape Danger and she agreed to it. You want a husband and your people, Danger say rape. And you agree to it and you come talk about God this morning. You bring out the man. A man, if RT want molest somebody, you bring out the man. Come and try embarrass him. You not do nothing good, my girl. I bring down people. You come out this morning and try to bring down people, Miss Dirty Bully. Bully. Nobody no believe nothing what you say. Nobody no business with you. Lady, remember say you find bugle yard. Because you hear say bugle, mother a reader woman, and you love Obia. And you love Obia. And you got the people them here, go tell them, oh, everywhere you walk, go tell me, say, me a Obia, you where my Obia man there. Everybody know you're Obia man. Everybody know who you walk Obia with from who you never wear. And you try, come try, fix it. Boy, this and that, and you met him as a Christian, and you met him as a that. And you bring Obia in a dance hall. Lady, and you bring Obia in a dance hall. Lady, and you bring Obia in a dance hall. Everybody else didn't live them life. And you bring, everybody knows say it's Spice, bring Obia into dance hall. Everybody know. So you alone now walk Obia. Because you're not no talent, my girl. Where is the hit song? If somebody not do one song with it, can't hit. So when people are going to obey you for, obey you for your no talent? We're going to obey you for your no talent? I'm trying to understand that. We are obey you for your no talent? I'm Spice. They're going to obey you for your no talent, talk the truth. Spice, your uncle have a bag of knives. Your uncle loud and can bully people more than everybody else. You know no talent. Every song you sing, walk. Your song don't walk. The album where you come out with, people want poop on it. People want poop and shit on that the album and the song them where you sing. For you say you're busting now. The people don't want poop and shit on the song them. Nobody no business with you, my girl. You can't predict my time, and God know my time, who do time and who and who not going to come determine people. Me I do my music, and music I pay my bill. Me no business, me no business what you want think about me and music. Me no want no crown, me no want nothing. You never hear me come and said I want to be nothing more than Mackadiamond. When I came in dancehall, I came with the money, oh. Me never come and leg on my crutches. Girl, you sleep with Mr. Length for go and Sting every year. You sleep with Evie D. You sleep with Nuff. You sleep around. Don't try me. If all of those evil things, if you are, lady, I don't grudge you for sleeping to reach where you are. Some people just braver than some. Some of we just braver than some. Spice, me don't grudge you. You fuck your way through. And you make it, I am happy for you. Me might not brave like you, my pussy not strong like your one. That's what them said stink now. You understand what I'm saying? So, don't come try style me. Don't come try style me because I live somewhere and all if people yard me catch me live somewhere. Me live somewhere. Me never nobody in the music can come call and tell us I'm beg on nothing. You finally have to call me name because that's where you is. And the old segment now, you're not a new artist anymore. Shensia and Jada Kingdom is acting. So you have to come back from Mackadiamond, come text it for me and tell his whole heap of lies. Me never know. Spice, me never know say you have your closet the full of the candle them. Oh, me know say something what your work. You teach me. You teach me now. You try put what you do on people. The people them is not idiot. I just a little fool fake page and the thing you make up. Spice, you buy the people them, you know, not even people. You buy some fake comment. We know them something there. We know them something. The fake comment them and the fake viewers them where you buy and put on your. We know them something there. We do those things too. We can do it too. Like if we want 5,000 people on me TikTok now, me just call somebody, I will pay them. We know about all of them something. The thing we do is real, my girl. Everything we do is real. A special advice to give you. You don't look right this morning. Spice, you don't look good. You look all fool, I tell a lie them. You don't look good. Me not read none of the comment because none of them can't stop me. I want to feel like when they can't calm me down. But don't put the eye water upon them and them have to come out. Them have to come out now like idiot. Them have to come out like idiot. When you look so fool, lady, you really need help. Lady, you need to go to the psychiatrist. You're mad, music and mad yo. Because nobody in the right mind. Remember say me come out with enough people. But never boss yet, you know. I am grateful for when God give me the music, you know. Me grateful in a lady, but you me grudge you and me and obey you. I just say you're still there somewhere more than me and not now go on for me and are you find time to call my name? You find time to call my name? That means that you know something is going on when you not talk. Because people want to make money all the time. People who can money don't have any time for people like me. Lady, you can't make people hate me. You can't make people hate me, lady. Because the same thing where you got music that me go through to. Me boss and me get song and company sign me and give me much millions and me get everything same way. Me no lady, me no want to live my life every day in a crowd and chat to people. Me no care. I do not care. And you are texted for me, you know, and your Obeah come talk, say, you try to get rid of me and this and that, and lady say, I go to church. Me, I know, me no come and talk about nothing, you know. You have it wrong, you know, lady. And you call the man and tell the man, say, you want, the man come out, come say, so you have for me, you can't manage artists, so you come for me, because me look like me a coward. Me look like me a coward. Lady, look into the mirror. When you come out this morning, you don't look right. You need help. You don't look right. And you best them not tell you the truth. You don't look good. You don't look good for you argue with people on the internet, lady. Go on, go look by yourself. Go on, go look by yourself, lady. Something is wrong about you. What is happening? You need some money? You want me to help you with something? Spice, you need some money? You want help? Because you look like you're broke for true. Me or RT I said that say something going on with your money thing. You have too much bills, why? You want me to help you pay something? Spice, you're not happy. Me see you this morning, you're not. not happy. Lady, you're not happy. Because if you're going to make little me now, me see this morning, you're not happy. Lady, you're not happy. Because if you're going to make little me now, I can't see you, me and nobody. They can call me name and chat all sorts of foolish. Me I water dip on them. Dirty nigga. That's a wobia lick the ball of the caca. The yai Me say the lady and no happiness down show. No happiness. Lady unhappy bad. Go and give baby Sham him 2 pitney them. Go and give your life to Christ. Go and forgive RT bars. You understand? Go and give your soul to the Lord, lady. And stop. Put what you have done to people on people. Stop it. Go and get forgiveness for all. And don't worry about me. Lady, what my journey in music is. Spice, I'm gonna tell you something. What my journey into music is, I love it because I don't have to sell my soul. I never had to sell my soul. Everything is natural. Everything is naturally made. You understand what I'm saying? When Mackadiamond come out and say, money, yo! What you do not, where you have different when me go grudge you for? In our reality show where every artist where in it is nobody, them not hot again like one time. So it a show you say you not hot either. Remember, so the reality show where in know, and then the people were hot now, you know. All the old it where in them gone and them hot and them gone left it and them never come back. So when me I say what me grudge you for? Me I ask you what me grudge you for? Spice me have a tight, nice, smell good pussy. And man will mind me feet. You know, see me make man mad. Your man them run well if you. Me see my mad man Spice, my mad man with my nice clean self. Me nice, me not smell, me not stink. When me I try to say to you, say lady, don't come and pretend. Don't come and try to call up my name because you're a nobody. You have a team up, against me. You cannot face me 1-1. And one little eye water make you have to jump out. You lick in your belly, have nightmare, you couldn't sleep. One eye water. Me eye water dip on them. Dirty nigga. Me never know say eye water powerful so. Spicer can't come make up a story about me. The people them not believe you. The people them not believe you. And you do the whole of that. The man come out come talk about your this and your that and all of the whole way you work. I never know say one dancehall artist or one artist, not even American artist, none of them never come out and bust as a Obia worker. That's all people are gonna remember you as. A Obia worker with an Obia man by your side into dancehall. But that's all people gonna remember that me remember of you know. When me I walk on the road in a Spice, the people them say, oh my God, you know of that artist named Spice? Oh, you the one that have the Obia man? And that them I say, everywhere me go Spice, and that them say, oh, we know that girl that wear the blue, she work Obia and she's with a Obia man. And that's all the people them say. May I tell you? Spice, you remember the girl at Portmore where you tell, say, the reason why you got this Ramesh. The reason why you this Ramesh, because Ramesh talk, say, oh, a pimp him used to pimp out Shensia to your man them when she do the bar work. You know what? Oh, no, what me mixing there now? You feel like you can't come mix me? Me know that I truth me talking, I'm gonna talk lie. You tell, you walk, you remember the person at Portmore where you tell, say, a pimp Ramesh used to pimp out Shensia. And oh, Shensia or and should have been a dancer, this and that, and you want to come take your crown. That's all you do, you walk and these people. The crown. The crown. Nobody no want the dirty stinking crown. Nobody no want it. Nobody wants in the crown. Nobody no want nothing wanna have. Because nothing wanna have is what wanna fuck for or wanna work hard for. I can't do no. And when me have is when me work hard for and I'm satisfied, I am truly satisfied. I don't know why you spread this rumor like me want your career. Me don't want your career. You're right. You talk the truth. You're me not telling this no. My virgin come check me. And him always trouble me about me and our war. So him a stroll around TikTok and she was live. That's how God work out miracle, you know. The man had strolled on him phone and she live and God said, make we sit down and listen. Blood clot and a Mackadiamond come up. Ah! Now, lady, you couldn't go through the Sunday without call up my name. And you say me is a nobody, and me do you this, and me do you. Then if me obey you, oh, you're still rich, and you're happy, and you're this, and you're that. But when me look at you this morning, you don't look happy, lady. You don't look happy. So why you come for me? Me post my picture for my Instagram, and this cause all of the problem. Me post my picture. And this cause all of the problem. So if me was nobody, why you posting for your page? You post me all about and make me go viral. And you make me go viral. So all of the viral one want to go viral, me sell on the album, I want to sell myself too. Me I sell myself too because I don't get none of the views and I don't get none. And now come drag me down. And I not drag on the back down. Then my days are over. When me listen to all of my fans about yeah, Macka, you better than that and me doing blood clot better than that right now. But I better than forget the views them. So, if I album I want to sell and the upcoming season of Love and Hip Hop Lady, you're getting it, yeah. But make sure the song them not hurt with ears. I just some little getter rat care about you, you know. Some people when I live nowhere and them hungry like me never know what I'm saying, you know. Certain people where cheer for you, them and nobody, you know. Beggy people cheer for you, know, my girl. And money on me say, me never come say skin out me this, skin out me that for boss. Become naturally me born with my talent and know my body still nice and clean and cripsy. So all know the people that try to understand why would that over you and grudge. You over people. Lady Sasha, she run out of her house. Nearly dead in our house. You know, you come back to the people them now. I want to go live and still at work. Or my aunt touch something. Yeah, the highway cut me out. Coffee. Oh, maybe one of my moderator them turn off. Moderator turn off the comment section. Okay. Maybe I moderator them turn off the comment section. Me don't even angry. Me don't even upset. Because I'm fooling it. Oh God, lady, me not lie. You come out this morning look like a ghetto rat. You look like a ghetto rat. You know you look no. Ghetto rat look better than you. You come out like the big rat them with New York. When you walk in New York and that big you look no. Ghetto rat look better than you. You come out like the big rat them with New York. When you walk in New York and that spice. You call Bugle and say me and Obey and Bugle after you until I say at the bottom where you put on the rat now. So when your body are rotten off, don't come blame nobody about no woman or nothing, lady. You have, you're happy and you're rich. You and your woman them. And you and your man them. You're not happy and you love woman more. Spider-Man, somebody have one friend that take and you and your man them. You're not happy and you love woman more. Spider-Man, somebody have one friend that texted from the girl. The girl is up hiding in my house. And I say, yeah, texted from her. Remember, say Crystal used to damn me yard come from New York for 6 months and help take care of my clothes and my stuff them as my assistant, Green Sleeve Records. You'd have Treasure and you have Blade, we call her. And Blade of your aisle under the blood. Girl like this and the girl like nothing but you want to sleep with me and Spice not stop in her neck back and say, which you want fuck the girl and Ray. My friend of your hide. Every time you come on me yard, come check the girl and hide from you. Lady, want to fix up your life and your dirtiness. Don't come bring it to me. Because the evilness does a show up on you, so you don't look good. You do not look good. You can't defeat me. The shed when me I tell you, say, this a year it got the pound. One shed. And the wicked become a footstool today. The wicked run come become a footstool today. Come confess. You confess, you come confess your sin. Lady, you come confess your sin. Run come become. Lady, you come confess your sin. Embrace and say, all of these wrongs and nobody no care about you, nobody never care about you, your career. Because we know say your career have to take off. We know say you have to stay big. We know say you have to stay big because you fuck Mr. Leng, you fuck Everyday, you fuck Nuffy, you fuck Gandhi, you fuck Everyday. Oh, come on, make it rhyme. You fuck Mr. Leng, you fuck Everyday, you fuck Nuffy, and you fuck Gandhi. You have to be big. You have to be big. You fuck Mr. Leng, you fuck Everyday. And then you go so now what? Blood clot. Me I get lyrics I never know. Look here man, me rhythm maker there. Me rhythm, well on man, all the rhythm go. You fuck Mr. Leng, you fuck Everyday, you fuck no, you fuck Mr. Leng, you fuck Everyday, you fuck nothing, and you fuck Gandhi, then you gonna foreign and go fuck a safari. Tune! Your blood clot calm. You fuck Mr. Leng, you fuck Everyday, you fuck Nuffy, and you fuck Gandhi, then you gonna foreign and fuck a safari. But you don't want man cause you love no pussy. Why? Hey, I'm ready, you know. Hey, I'm gonna join up on the stage when I go tonight. You fuck Mr. Leng, you fuck Everyday, you fuck Nuffy, and you fuck Gandhi. You gonna foreign for gas. Safari, but you no love man, you love pure pussy. What? From Gansey. When them never left himself careless, no Terry Gansey. What? What a blood clot. Lord God. Lady, you come right out for me today. In the name of Jesus, you come right out to me and I'll give me a big tune. You fuck Miss Allen, you fuck Ebony, you fuck Nuffy, and you fuck Gandhi. You gonna foreign fuck off safari. But you don't love man, cause you love your pussy. Bumba Club, give me some more lyrics, man. I got a studio after the show tonight. Bum, hey! I wish my Kingston 11 there. Hey, make sure my screen record now. When I move the hey!
You know your baggy, your gonorrhea you carry.
Gonorrhea all end up in your baggy. The girl, RT boss say you smell bad pussy. Look how easy me I get song. I want to sting mattress. I want to sting mattress. Grudge of you what? You're uncle braver than everybody else that dance hall. You fuck for reach where you go. You walk over everything that's bad. You can't come show your dirtiness for me.
You think you're Ben Spunani, but your dance hall can be.
Remember saying people, it's when my career took off. Later started signed to VP Records. And when me look at a Green Sleeve Records take me. Me not Green Sleeve Records me sign to my own lane. And them come trouble me. And them a trouble me all the while. And them trouble me all the while. People have to do no homework. Do no homework, man. When Mackadiamond boss me come and me say money me not sound like none of them. Me not have me different. So when me go grudge people from me come here and me create history. No big artist not do no song with me all know and me make it. Nobody never do no song with me to make it. So me don't know when be here for what, lady? You're right. In the time when my art, you never have no art song, but I was making sure that I put you on my shows and we were talking those times. So what? I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about. Are you alone? You used to come to me and tell me, say, Maka, me go to river this morning because me feel like somebody a hold me and somebody a do me something. I'm say, Spice, why you always the things me feel like somebody a hold me and somebody a do me something. I'm say, Spice, why you always the things that people are obey you? What is wrong with you? Say, yourself bring no Obeah mix up to me. Yo, the new song where you drop it, you want to use my name to drop and get views on it? Some song where you drop, it never reached 1 million and first time you'd have gone 10 million and say you're bigger than Bob Marley. Are you bad mind people? Bob Marley, you bad mind. That's you put out song and attack, say, oh, you get it, a Billboard song bigger than Bob Marley. Are you a mad man? Are you is a crazy lady? You're a crazy lady. If somebody come say them bigger than Bob Marley on a chart, he's a mad person. They want to go to Bellevue. Cause everyone go to Bob Marley me hear about. If you lick up certain white people, a Bob Marley name first I call. So if you come say you have song where reach views and never know the song bigger than Bob Marley, that's a mad person. And I was looking at that mad person today. I was looking at that crazy person today. A true people are facts for true. If somebody can come say them have views more than Bob Marley, I'm mad funny that. Which ever said that? Nobody in a dance hall ever said that. Hey, one time the girl have 1 million and 20 million views on her blood clot page. And Popcorn them have the biggest song of Jamaica. And me I try understand. Me I try do the maths. Lady, don't come for me, come for your liar self or your fake self. Are you a fake up yourself? And walk up and tell a lie for people and sing fuck. A lie you tell for me, you know. I must a lie you tell for me to start wars, me to sing, you know. So that same thing you come to now. But you can't bring 1 million donkey and one because you want the donkey can't fuck. Because you a fucking rat. The big old subway rat. You fuck Mr. Leng, you fuck Heavy D, you fuck Nuffy, and you fuck Gandhi. You reach a foreign for car safari. Where's the show name? Where's the show name? Which is the plan? You see why you bet to them? You bet to them over here now, but them have to come. Them come, but them have to know facts. You chat fuckery over there today. Lady, you chat fuckery. You try to pick up on story. It better you go do what Miss Lou used to do, your lady. Lady, it's like you're loud and vulgar. It better you see like how Miss Lou dead and gone, may her soul rest in peace. You need to go do ring ding. A ring ding you forgot to do. Because you're not a grace, you're a disgrace to dancehall. You're not a grace, you're a disgrace.
Dancehall cabby.
Dancehall cabby. Look here. You're not a grace, you're a disgrace.
Dancehall cabby.
Dancehall cabby. Look here. Charts feel like you want to hit the charts with the mixer. The one that we're going to blend up. Cross, angry, miserable. What the truth? A ring ding spice. One go do ring ding. When Miss Louise Ben is dead and gone, who want that legacy of Jamaica? Go and go do ring ding, and that fit you. You can't sing, you can't do music. You can't sing a hit song. You are a dancehall disgrace. And you help dancehall for flop. Soca music and Afrobeat that do better. You are part of the downfall of dancehall. You are a part of the downfall of dancehall. But people grudge you. Grudge if you bring down dancehall to nowhere. You can't even find a hit song. Please. Yeah, try act nice now. And this, and Mackadiamond, since I'm talking about church, let me bring up you're right, because I want to hit in your blood cleat. Judgment, take your prayer, take your ass. You know, since I'm a prayer clot, you know your blood clot. You feel like you can't turn me na idiot like Dovey Magnum, them and them people. You can't turn me na idiot. Because I'm not an idiot. You can't turn me na idiot. And you can't style me because I'm a hard nut. I'm not crack up. You understand? You can't turn me na idiot because if I'm me like Dovey Magnum, then I fix no blood clot teeth, then I do nothing to please you. Because you is nobody. No, you can't. No. Spice. Remember some used to come and you sleep all day, love sleep all day. All them all 2 o'clock at night just still in the clothes you come from dancing then. You can't talk to me. You're nasty and like beard. Nasty people in like beard can't disgrace me and talk fuckery. You're talking nothing sensible. You know like beard. Every time you used to come in your yard, I say, lady, go on a beard now. From morning you really come from dance and drop asleep same way. We used to stop and buy all chicken. And you jam all the chicken in that bed. And you drop asleep and when we come back then at the evening, you look same way. You know the clothes, them the makeup and your lip, everything. At 12 o'clock at night, 9 o'clock at night time. Lady, go and train yourself over beard. And stop telling lies on people. Stop look lies to look relevant. Stop looking mixed up to look relevant. You're on the top of the charts with mix up. That's the only thing you turn dancehall into mix up. Because you fuck Mr. Leng, you fuck Heavy D, you fuck Nuffy, and you fuck Gandhi, then you fly go foreign, go fuck off safari. Lady, you're only on the You on the top of the chart for mix up. That's all. Nobody grudge you for that. Nobody gonna owe you for that. Nobody don't want to be a fool artist like you. Nobody don't want to be no comedy fucker artist like you. When you Spice, when you reach my age, you can't collect nothing off of them a song there. You know, on a song forget no check from. Because all of them songs that fucker they're not selling. None of your bets to them now buy your song them. Them gonna buy the mix up. None of your bets to them. You put out clothesline and them not buy none. You put out wig, them don't buy none. So who gonna grudge you? Grudge you for what, lady? Grudge you for what, lady? You're living into a dream world. You're living fake. Spice, you need help. You need to pray to God to forgive you for all the wrongs that you have done to Lady Saw and ungrateful. You got the woman yard go live, nyam, eat and drink. Cause Lady Saw, as much as you see me and Lady Saw, when you don't come between me and Lady Saw, cause Lady Saw is a good, kind woman. Lady Saw is a good, kind hearted woman, and I know she welcomed you in her home, and I know she spent her money on you, and I know she took care of you. I know she took care of you. And you come and you're ungrateful and you come talk down on the lady and talk bad on the lady. So Spice, you not reach nowhere further than disgrace. I tell you, allegedly, they said you over it. You never try to console the girl. You think that raping is an easy thing to get over for the rest of somebody's life. Spice, you're dirty. You cannot bring dirtiness to me. You are dirty. You never reach danger and say danger boy. I never have fun me having a song or something or because that is not no fun. These are serious something. Serious. If somebody get raped, that can scare them for the rest of their lives. Spice. And the girl I go through this morning and feel like people. Nothing want to say can't jerk me. Nothing. Nothing. Not even my heart. Not even my heart and I can't touch. You can't touch get a rat. The big old rat them Spice your favor the rat them up at New York. In the subway. And that's your favor. You can't style me. You can't.
So she do about 42 candle. She called them and put them.
They not hit me and tell us that the woman said 42 candle, but that she and the woman furthermore, them time they live in a matches box or Waterford. We live in a Waterford also a matches box. Waterford also carry closet. I mean not have to validate nothing to nobody. I mean nobody no obligation. As she and the Wobia worker, everybody always know say this woman go to every Artina say it. Who else them put up on the chart? Number one on the chart for Obia worker and power them Obia man in a dancer. Them have video for sure say she and the Obia man they all about stage show and all about So how she gonna change that? Your company, your look. You're looking company. Company, your look. You're looking company. Of course the people don't believe me. The people don't believe you come up. Oh, woman right for light candle for you up there because you're a wicked. You go and yam out the woman food and yam have everything and come wicked to the woman. You're a wicked girl. And you go up, you go sleep off with the woman, man and everything. You're a devil.
You can't go like she is.
Innocent, my woman. Let me tell you why I'm not grudge her. Her pussy is strong and powerful. Because she fuck Mr. Leng, she fuck. The girl strong. The girl fuck everybody to reach somewhere. So, I'm happy for you, lady. I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you. Lady, your pussy just end up stink now. Because it fuck too much. And if everybody talk about say